Hello and welcome back to Steam Workshop. My name is Mark and I'm the lead engineer on the F restoration. Unfortunately today I've lost a day because I've been out playing trains with this lovely beauty here. But for the rest of the week I have managed to get some things done on Effie and I'll go through that with you now. So picking up from the end of last week where we made these oil pots at the top, and I've got my handy new pointer to reach over, and I have added the pipe, the clamps and the manifold at the base. So there's quite a lot going on here, and as is the theme, I've done it twice, so both sides have got all the pipework buttoned up down to the manifold at the base. So we'll close in a little bit and we'll look at the top. So there's two fittings at the top which go up into the chambers that I made last time. Pipes coming down with the new pipe clamps holding everything in place. Down at the bottom here, that manifold, the orange part is where the push fit plastic pipes will be attached to run down to the eccentrics. And yeah, all looking absolutely lovely. Really happy with how these turned out. Also following on from last week, we are on to the water valve control handles here. So the rod was done last week. This week I have added the handle to the top of it and also finished off the stanchions, which were also started last week. Last week they were basically just a piece of round bar. Now they've been turned into chest piece style stanchions with a hole through and a nice big chunky handle at the top for turning the water on and off. And that has also been done twice. Both sides are done. Now Effie is really starting to look naked. I have stripped this pretty much all the way down to tackle the running boards. So I've done a load of countersunk holes. So this is to bolt down the running boards. This bracket here has been added. This bracket is existing. And these holes, I am undecided whether or not to leave them as bolts or countersink them like the new bolts I'm adding. But yeah, that is a decision I will have to make next week. Another thing I am looking at with regards to the frames is these holes here. Now these are for lubricating the axles in relation to the horns. And there's one at the front and one at the back on both sides. The front is exposed and there's a little notch in the running board just here which has been slightly widened and cleaned up because I'm going to make a brass piece which sits on top with an oil pot on top. For the rear, I need to figure a way because the boiler sits here, so that will be hidden. So I'll need to figure a pipe out to bring it out into the cab somewhere, but that is also another job to figure out for next week. So also following on from last week, I've been working on my organisation game again. I took a trip out to a Swedish furniture shop after work on Tuesday and bought a load more boxes and lids. I'm going to have to go back for some more. You never have too many boxes. But yeah, everything laid out, it really does help me visualise what has been done and what is left to do. Not a bad week, albeit a short week for working on Effie, but I think making really good progress now. As always, thank you very much for watching and I'll catch you all next time.